Welcome to our detailed comparison of the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus motherboards. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and overall value. We'll cover key areas such as CPU compatibility, PCIe support, and pricing. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or looking for a budget-friendly option, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A is designed to support the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, providing robust performance for gaming and productivity. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus is compatible with Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th generation CPUs, making it a versatile choice for Intel users. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for builders to consider based on their preferred processor brand. When it comes to PCIe support, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A offers PCIe 5.0, which is essential for future-proofing your build and maximizing performance with the latest graphics cards and storage solutions. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus supports PCIe 4.0, which, while still capable, may not provide the same level of performance for high-end components. This is an important consideration for those looking to build a cutting-edge gaming rig. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a motherboard. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A comes in at $219, reflecting its high-end features and capabilities. Meanwhile, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus is priced at a more budget-friendly $169, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing too much performance. Depending on your budget, this could influence your choice significantly. In conclusion, both the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS board is ideal for those seeking high performance and future-proofing with PCIe 5.0 support, while the MSI board offers excellent value for Intel users on a budget. Make sure to consider your CPU choice and budget when making your decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.